Hey, Stumpy. Today we did exponents in math, so I want to go over that. Okay, what did you write on my paper? What is there? I wrote hello. Oh, that was clever too. I saw what you did there. Oh, who is that? Well, that's me saying hello. You're brilliant, Stumpy. Now let's talk about exponents really quickly. Let me tell them. Well, let me just start the lesson. Repeat. Let me start the lesson. Repeat. Let me start the lesson. No, Stumpy. Come on, focus. Not that. I don't want you to repeat. I want to tell about exponents. Well, go ahead. What do you know about exponents before I start? Repeat. I don't want to say it again. No, it's repeated multiplication. What? It's repeated multiplication? I've heard of repeated addition, but repeated multiplication? Go ahead. Write down to 10. Fine, I'll write down to 10. Now, go ahead and multiply it. Same number, repeat it. Times 10. Okay, I have 10 times 10. Now that's repeated multiplication, the same number. You are right, that is. And that would be 2 10s, right? So that's 1 10 and 2 10s. That would be 10 to the second power. There's your exponent. So we have 2 10s there. Go ahead and add another one. Do it, do it. Okay, relax. I'll add another one. Times 10. Okay, now what do I have there? You got 3 10s. All right, so what do I do? Well, go ahead and write your 10. Did it? Now you got 3 of them. Okay, I did it. Now how does that help me? It's a shortcut. 10 times 10 is 100. That is right. So, and what do you do with the other 10? Well, you multiply it by 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. You're right. So that would be 100, and that would be 1,000. Oh, I see. So you just keep repeating the same number? That's exactly right. You repeat the same number, but you got to multiply it every time. No adding, all multiplication. So what about if I have a base number? What does that mean? Well, that means a regular number. A base number is a number that sits by itself. So say I use the number 5 as my base number, okay? All right, then what do you do? Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply it by a power of 10 and see what I get. Go ahead and do it. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to multiply it times 10, here we go, to the second power. Oh, what is 10 to the second power? 100. You're right. So that would really be 5 times 100. Oh, Stumpy, I'm getting it now. And what's the answer to that? Well, 5 times 1 is 5, and then put on the zeros. Okay, so that's 5. That's 5 times 1 is 5, and then I'm going to add 2 zeros. 5. That's brilliant, Stumpy. That's really smart. I'm a genius. You are a genius. So, if they have any questions tomorrow with this, remember they get their base number right here, correct? And then they multiply it towards the power, which is how many zeros are in the actual number itself. So they don't add the extra 0, right? It wouldn't be 3 zeros. No, no, no. It's just you go ahead and you multiply 10 times 10. You got to think of it that way. You can't just go ahead and put 3 zeros there. That doesn't work. It's all repeated multiplication. Remember that. All right, we'll see if the kids remember tomorrow. Well, thank you so much, Stumpy. You helped me out a lot here with our exponents, and I love your picture up there. You did a really good job with it. Okay, kids, you go ahead and think about it, and then tomorrow we're going to work on it again. All right, Stump, say goodbye to everyone. Oh, Stumpy, you did such a good job. Oh, you're bowing? Oh, you're such a ham. You're such a ham. I'm not a ham, I'm a groundhog, not a pig. Oh, Stumpy, you're hilarious.